In this section of food chain, there are trophic levels mentioned, which are the various steps that occur in a food chain. Again, there is a sun shown here, which is used by primary plants. The plants are eaten by animals or birds, which are eaten by higher animals. So these are the levels of food in which the energy transfer takes place. The green plants are consumed by the herbivores, which then are consumed by the carnivores. So that is the basic or the simplest food chain. A food chain may be simple or complex. Now what is a simple food chain? A simple food chain is one which involves only two trophic levels. The two trophic levels means plants and microbes. The microbes which plants prepare the food, and microbes which derive the food from the plants. So that is the two level. The complex food chain is where many levels are there. Plants prepare the food, they are eaten by higher animals, which are eaten by further higher animals. That is a complex food chain. Next is pond ecosystem. Now what is a pond ecosystem? In which we see in a pond, the first level is the producers, which include photosynthesis producing plants. These are the phytoplanktons. These are the green color algae which grow in the pond, and these consume the carbon dioxide from the water and they produce the food. At the second level are the primary consumers, that means those who eat them, which are called the zooplanktons. So phyto is the organisms which prepare the food. Zoo means animals, so those animals, they are the insect which eat the phytoplanktons. There are secondary consumers, that is the small carnivores, which include small fish like microbes. So these are different ecosystems which are in the ponds. So there is a food chain shown here. This food chain is of the phytoplanktons, you can see, and it is shown here. Here the phytoplanktons which are eaten by the zooplanktons, which are the bigger organisms, they are eaten by small fish, and the small fish are eaten by bigger fish. So this is a pond ecosystem. It is also an example of a complex food chain. In the same way, the same type of food chain is seen in the grassland. In the grasslands, the first level, herbs like green plants, which are the producers, they are eaten by bigger animals. Bigger animals are eaten by higher animals. So this becomes a complex food chain of the land. So they have given example of grass, then firefly, which is eaten by a toad. Toad is eaten by a snake. Snake is eaten by an eagle. So this is example of food chain. And when many food chains combine together, it is called a food web. A food web is shown in the book as where there are many organisms which are interlinked. So there is one food chain interlinked with another food chain, and that is called a food web. So you have to just remember what is a food chain and what is a food web. So which of them is bigger? A food chain is bigger or a food web is bigger? A food web is bigger because it is a combination of many food chains.